Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan and is federally administered as part of the Islamabad Capital Territory. Islamabad is the ninth largest city in Pakistan, while the larger Islamabad Rawalpindi metropolitan area is the country's fourth largest with a population of about 3.1 million. Calm, quiet, peaceful, green. These adjectives describe the essential makeup of Islamabad, capital of Pakistan. The moderately populated city, situated on the Pothohar Plateau, offers a tranquil option for those who prefer to explore at leisurely pace without the need to time their schedule according to traffic. Islamabad was constructed in 1960s according to a grid plan. The city's sectors are organized systematically with each sector possessing its own markers or commercial center set well apart from residential areas. And besides Centaurus Mall and Safa Gold Mall, for shopping you can find something to your liking in various markets throughout the city. What is Islamabad famous for? The city, known for the presence of several parks and forests, including Margla Hills National Park and Shakarpariya. The city is home to several landmarks, with the most notable one being the Faisal Mosque, the largest mosque in the South Asia and the fourth largest in the world. It's home to the Shah Faisal Mosque. The Shah Faisal Mosque holds a special place in the Muslims community of Pakistan due to its ties with Saudi Arabia. The mosque was named after one of the kingdom's monarchs. It can accommodate over 100,000 worshippers in its main hall and courtyard. Besides its religious significance, the mosque is famed for its architecture, which is a departure from traditional domes and arches. The building mimics a desert tent and is situated between the four pencil-like minarets. The second reason is gardens and parks. The city, already interspersed with green belts and plentiful trees, is dotted with numerous parks and gardens open to the public. Among the more famous ones, the Fatma Jinnah Park covers an entire sector, while Shakar Bariya is where most of the ceremonial tree plantation take place. The relatively new Lakeview Park offers a pleasing view of Rawal Lake and is favorite picnic point. For those interested in flowered gardens, rose and jasmines, garden not only boasts over 250 different kinds of roses and jasmines but also hosts annual flower shows. And now the hiking trails. A well-constructed road winds around Margla Hills in Islamabad, leading to scenic places like Damanego and Pir Sahaba. However, the more adventurous can scale any of Hill's hiking trails to visit the spots on foot. Trial 1 and 2 take about 2 hours to reach the summit. Trial 3 is for those who wish to undertake a challenging hike. Trial 5 is the easiest, and Trial 6 is the most recently discovered part. Now, for history and nature buffs, the city is home to a number of museums. For those seeking a pictorial history of Islamabad, the Photo Museum, if I am not wrong, at Saidpur village that chronicles the city through the ages. Next, the Lok Virsa Museum. The Lok Virsa Museum depicts the culture of Pakistan. The Glora Sharif Heritage Museum tells the story of country's railways. And the Pakistan Natural History Museum offers insight into local flora. And the Pakistan Momentum Museum houses wax figures that narrate the Pakistan movement. What is the famous food of Islamabad? As Pakistan is known for its diverse traditional food options such as nihari, halwa puri, dal chapli kebab, Islamabad cuisine has further developed as they now have foreign franchises such as McDonald's, KFC, Hardee's, Subway, TGI, Fridays, Cinnamon Cafe, and China Grill. I hope this video will be super informative for you. Thank you so much. Take good care of yourself. Be good to go with A+ coaching always.